Hi, my name is Jeff Weber. I represent Weber Marble Products in Cascade, Iowa. We provide precision machine components and assemblies for our worldwide base of customers that vary from construction, oil, gas, agriculture. Weber Marble started in 1973 by my father, Jim Weber. He started with an engine lathe and a drill press that he bought that were from the 1930s. We moved into a new facility back in 1974, it was about 1,200 square feet. And through the years, we expanded, added on, did a bunch of additions. We got that building to about 68,000 square feet. And then in 1997, we built the current facility that we're in right now. It's 120,000 square feet. So it's on about 40 acres here. I am the second generation in Weber's working here, and now we have our third generation coming in and taking over key positions in manufacturing. I wish more people would know about Weber Metals is a great opportunity. We have employment for motivated people who have a willingness to learn and to advance in their employment. We have several employees with 30 plus years of service, with a few with 40 plus years of service. And if you go through our plant right now, we have an average years of service about 23 years. When people come to work here, they work here for a very long time. We have very, very low turnover in our older employees.
Russ Napper, 39 years. I enjoy the challenge and the new technology. I like making things, so this gives me that opportunity.
Barney Otting. I've been here next week 44 years. Well, I was a couple months from graduating high school, and it was time to figure out what I was going to do. And Weber Metals was just getting a good start at that time, so I'm 79, so I out and applied because I like to work with my hands, and I got hired, and they treat you like family, and I've been here ever since. What more can I ask for?
My name is Rob McAllister. I've worked for Weber Metals for 37 years. It's a very challenging job. We get prints and we get them, and then you got to use, your thoughts as to how to go and make that part. We do ask questions. We got a lot of CAD that we can file that we go off of, but a lot of it is your thought process, how you do stuff.
When people start here, they usually start out as general machinists. Through their motivation, they are able to advance to supervising positions, management positions. So we always advance within the company.
I had the opportunity to get hired down here by Jim, and Tim Weber kind of took me under his wing and showed me some of the stuff on the machines, because I was kind of fascinated by that, and I went on from there.
I started off as a machinist and worked on manual machines for only a few months, and then I started on the first CNC machines we had, and just kept right on going on up. And if you put the work in, they take care of you. That's just how it is.
But I was on second, so I started on second. I worked there 13 years or so, and I learned the basics there. I then went to third shift as the foreman, and I was the foreman on third for 17 or 18 years before I just came to days here about 3 years ago. There's a good bunch of guys that follow. They grasp what we do here and what we want to accomplish. So it's a good group of guys to work with.
Currently, we have 100 employees at this facility. We are currently accepting applications for all second and third shift positions. We offer competitive wages, 401k, we offer health insurance, dental insurance, and we also offer second and third shift premiums, and a very well-maintained climate control facility. We are very proud to be part of Cascade community for the 50 years that we have been in business. We look forward to another 50.